happy 4th of July. Today we're going to be making a red, white, and blue lava lamp. So some of the supplies we'll need is a jar of glass, a spoon, some baking soda, some food coloring of your choice, or if you want to make a red, white, and blue, you'll want red and blue. And then you're also going to want some vegetable oil and some little containers to mix stuff in. So the first thing you're going to do is take the jar of glass and pour in some baking soda. You want about 3 spoonfuls, and then just pour that in there. Okay, we got that in there. Now we're going to put in some vegetable oil. You're going to fill this up a bit. You want it about 2/3 of the way full. There we go. Now you can set this aside. We're going to take one little bowl, grab our vinegar, and pour a bit in. Now we got a bit in there, and then you're going to add the food coloring your choice. I'm going to start with red, and you want to add about 3 or 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that you've got that in there, you're going to take your spoon and mix it around. You just want them nice and combined. There we go, just like this. Now you're going to set that aside and grab your other bowl, pour some vinegar in that one. And then you're going to put your blue food coloring in it, or if you're going to use a different color, put that in there. And so I'm going to put in 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now I'm going to take that spoon again and mix that around. Okay, there we go. Nice and good. Okay, now what I'm going to do is pour this in, and we're going to have this amazing reaction that's going to make us a lava lamp. So let's start with the red. There we go. Got some nice lava lamp there. Ooh, look how cool that is. Now we're going to put in the blue to make it red, white, and blue. Ooh, look at that. You can see the bubbles and stuff. Look at this. We're going to take a... All right, here is our beautiful red, white, and blue lava lamp. You can kind of see how it's going up and down. This is a chemical reaction. Oh, look, some of it's actually turning black. That's interesting. The colors must have mixed and are creating this black color. But if you look, you can still see the red and blue. We're going to try this fun experiment at home with a parent's help and permission. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to show your support and so you can be notified when we post more future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!